milestone for the Philippine automotive history. Industry pala, history. Like what Suzy said earlier, this is not just a first in the Philippines, this is also a first in the world. So you are really witnessing history unfold with the launch of our Shell Helix Flagship Auto Workshops. This initiative is in line with Shell's vision of powering progress through partnerships with our country's most veteran, most experienced workshop operators, yung pinakilala po namin kanina. Plus, our skilled suking mekanikos. Lahat tayo may mga suking mekaniko, di ba, sa mga talyer natin. Thereby elevating Filipino expertise to the global scale and putting to the global map the expertise and the talent and the quality of the world-class Pinoy talyer. Palakpakan tayo. I'm also very proud to share. So you see the branding of Shell Helix everywhere, right? It's, may contest tayo para mihan ang mabibilang the Shell Helix logo dito. But I'm very proud and happy to share that Shell Helix, our passenger car engine oil, is actually the #1 most preferred by Filipino vehicle drivers. Filipino drivers. That's not from us, that's from our research agency, Kantar. Also, Shell Advance, our motorcycle engine oil, is actually also the most preferred leading motorcycle engine oil in the Philippines. Diba? Likewise, Shell Lubricants, according to research agency Klein, is now has been the #1 leading global lubricant supplier for 18 years straight. 18 years in a row na po #1 ng Shell sa buong mundo, pinakamabenta. And this success, we owe all to you, our customers, our stakeholders. If not for you, we wouldn't be able to do this. We wouldn't be able to be as inspired. So, in line with this venture, our work does not stop there. Our work does not stop at supplying lubricants, quality engine oils. But we have to do more. And we have to be able to offer end-to-end solutions to our Filipino customers. We believe that Filipino drivers deserve only the best when it comes to car maintenance, when it comes to getting quality auto maintenance services, so that at the end of the day, they can all get home to their family safe and sound. So that's a very, very huge responsibility. Shell has always been, in the business of customer-centric innovation. And I think, where we are right now is a testament to that commitment. Again, thank you for attending the launch of Shell Helix Flagship Auto Workshops. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon and have fun.
Very first Shell market to build and launch the Shell Helix Flagship Auto Workshop. It is a powerful symbol of innovation, leadership, and our commitment to raising the bar in automotive today.
Okay, one more po per video.